Hi everyone, this is me, your spoken English language coach trainer Lal Khan. In this video, you are gonna learn the most important vocabulary words about talking about weather. So let's get started. If somebody wants to ask you how is the weather today, it's a formal question that several people ask from you. How is the weather today? So how you can give the proper answer, it's quite difficult question, but how you can give easy answer. How is the weather today? Sunny. How is the weather today? Windy. Windy. Rainy. Rainy. Foggy. Foggy. Smoky. Smoky. Snowy. Snowy. Cloudy. Cloudy. Stormy. Stormy. Conversation practice. So let's practice. How is the weather today? How you can give answers. It's a sunny day today. It's a sunny day today. How is the weather today? It's a windy day today. It's a windy day today. How is the weather today? It's a rainy day today. It's a rainy day today. How is the weather today? It's a foggy day today. It's a foggy day today. How is the weather today? So you can give answer. It's a smoky day today. It's a smoky day today. How is the weather today? It's a snowy day today. It's a snowy day today. How is the weather today? It's a cloudy day today. It's a cloudy day today. How is the weather today? How is the weather today? It's a stormy day today. It's a stormy day today. So, weekly weather forecast. Weekly weather forecast like that. अगर सूरज चमक रहा है, गर्मी है, आप कहेंगे सनी. अगर आधा बादल है तो आप कहेंगे विंडी एंड सनी. और अगर बादल हैं आप क्लाउडी कहेंगे. अगर बारिश हो रही है आप रेनी कहेंगे. और अगर स्नो पड़ रही है आप स्नोई कहेंगे. और अगर तूफान है तो आप स्टॉर्मी कहेंगे. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर दैट विथ वीडियो with your friend. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to share your precious feedback. So best of luck and break a leg.